hair is so matted and tangled, you guys. I don't know how many times I have to say that to you. If you guys want to see how I fix this matted, detangled hair, keep watching. So I'm going to fix my hair. It's totally matted, extremely matted. It's knotted up, it's dry, it's brittle, it's just, it needs help, you guys. Hair is a hot tornado mess. Look at that. And I have a lot of hair. My hair is so full, so thick, so curly. So I really need to help you guys how to detangle dry, matted, tangled hair. I want to detangle my hair very carefully in sections to prevent damaging it and split ends and breakage. Less breakage, the better. You guys, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just showing you how I detangled my hair. Hopefully it works for you if you guys have hair similar to mine, or if you went for like 6 or 7 days while washing or combing or brushing or doing anything to your hair and it just woke up and just got matted and like a tornado and knots and tangled and it just looks dry and brittle and it just, you know, you need to just bring it back to life. Guys, I detangle it in the shower. And I go through it and just in small little sections and I just pull it out little pieces just to make for sure it's not like humongous big knots, but it is in really bad knots in the back of my neck that I'm just gonna lightly pull and gently pull apart. And then after this, I'm gonna put my hair in 2 sections and then I'm gonna really wet it. And I'm gonna put my kinky curly and drench my hair with lots and lots of water and put the kinky curly throughout my whole hair. And let's see what it does. And I always use, you guys make for sure, if you're really trying to get your hair to grow really long and healthy and just vibrant and just beautiful, try to wash your hair with cold water or room temperature because it locks in the moisture. And it really helps your hair, especially if your hair is getting brittle or damaged from just being really dry like this. So I'm gonna start the shower and get ready into it. Oh yeah, so if you guys like my swimsuit, let me see if I can show you guys. There it is, cute. It's butterflies and it's from Shein. And I have a haul video that I did about that too, and I just love it. I always use Kinky Curly Knots Today. I always use this product. And I had to go to like 3 different Sally's to find it. Didn't want to get it online because of the shipping, but this can help you do miracles to your hair. It will help detangle and help the knots. It just slips right through. Your hair will just bounce back. You'll just like you have fresh, new, healthy, hydrated hair. So I'm actually going to use this brush, you guys, to detangle. This brush, I really recommend it. I even have a video that I talked about my brushes and why I like certain brushes. So please watch that video if you're interested or if you're getting ready to invest and purchase more brushes. But this brush costs under $10, okay? This is the brush I'm going to use. I usually detangle my hair in small little sections. So let's jump right into it. All right, now that I got the shower running, getting ready to get the hair wet, and I do use Canton shaving butter, you guys. This one really helps define my curl pattern, but I put that on the end, okay, so there. I mean, at the end, like when I'm done washing the hair. So. And I really want to keep the length of my hair and I want to prevent breakage. So I'm finger detangling. And when it gets wet, it's about like right here, right about my breast. So it is getting longer. So it's just finger detangling. I have no processed perm or anything in my hair. It's just natural. I believe I have a like C curl pattern. Now remember to put the water at like room temperature or kind of cold, just a little bit, okay? Your hair loves it like that. All right, almost time for the kinky curly. So I get it really, really wet. I just love this bikini. It's so cute. Always work my brush from the tip to the top. This very lightly. Okay. All right. Not that much hair, you guys, that shed. Not that much. And it's healthy shed. So when it's long strands, that's healthy shed. When it's short little, tiny little strands, that's not healthy, okay? That means that's breakage from the tips. So that was, I'm happy about that. All right, and so that's how you detangle your hair. Great. Enjoyed this video. Please give it thumbs up and stay tuned to my other videos. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my page already. Thanks, you guys.